first snowflakes begin to fall as we drive through Michigan streets. Watch as the world transforms before our eyes. Downtown Michigan glows under streetlights, each snowflake catching the golden light. Skyscrapers disappear into the swirling snow above, while below, tire tracks leave temporary patterns in the fresh powder. The storm intensifies. Thick flakes dance in our headlights, creating that hypnotic sensation that feels like traveling through stars. This is pure Michigan magic, when time seems to slow down and the everyday world becomes extraordinary. Historic buildings wear their winter coats proudly. Trees bow under the weight of snow, creating natural archways over the streets. Even stoplights take on a dreamy glow through the curtain of white. Neighborhood homes transform into gingerbread houses, their roofs frosted with fresh snow. Children bundle up for impromptu sledding adventures, and the occasional snowman stands sentinel in front yards. Michigan winters, where every drive becomes an adventure. This is Michigan in winter, where every snowstorm turns our city into a scene from a snow globe, and every drive becomes a moment to remember.